What we are standing outside of used to be a large Marshall Tiller line car elevator. We are here at 424 Gold Way. This is now the new main entrance. That used to be the main entrance. Let's check out the new elevator. Not sure if we'll be able to ride it though. That's right, it's now an Otis Gen2. Single side door. Okay, that's pretty loud. 5. Probably rooftop deck. There's no carburetor. That's be nice. Here we go. Here 5. It's MRL. I think this used to be the machine room right here. Back down to 1. You can definitely hear the cabinet. And resistant buttons. I think they should use regular buttons, but whatever. And your phone. Hear the VF starting. Louder than usual. Certificate installed in 2020, so it's brand new. United Technologies. They're not a part of that anymore. They got sold in 2020. It's a basic padded cab, tile floors. So link to the old car elevator should be right there. It's a really crappy video, but the elevator doesn't exist anymore, so there's no way to get a better video. Oh well, though. Here's the athlete factory. Reception on Tuesday. Wasn't nothing yet.